Can you tell us the purpose of your visit to Manicaland?
Well, we're on a countrywide tour visiting provinces, ascertaining the status of the crop and to see whether the President's vision of returning the country to food security and replenishing the strategic grain reserve will be met. So clearly here in Manicaland, they have already surpassed their maize target, which was 265,000. They have gone beyond 273,000 hectares. So we are very pleased with the performance. We are looking at food security at two levels, at national level and household level. Here where we have visited this joint venture undertaken by the youthful Fungai Makoni, it is to show that farming can indeed be a business. And we have seen here the magnitude of the investment, where collectively he has 1,550 hectares under various crops. But this maize crop clearly demonstrates that farming done as a business will be able to provide the necessary incentives for additional investment. This maize crop, by any standard, is good. And the estimations from the agronomy team here is that they will get anything above 10 tons or so. If nothing else happens, the crop is clean, and this is what we want to see. More farmers replicate so that farming becomes a business. And with the revolutionary intervention by the President to have title deeds given to these farmers, it means that we will enhance investment on the land, and we look forward to even a more prosperous agricultural future.
And in terms of the livestock, what is the state of the livestock?
So there's certainly a massive improvement from the drought-ravaged livestock condition that we saw 3-4 months ago. The water availability has improved, pastures have improved. We've also now gone back to the weekly dipping to ensure that we take care of tick-borne diseases, especially this rain season. So we are very pleased with the collective effort. Here we were told that over 2,000 bales of barley were baled here for free distribution to farmers in the various communal areas.